Hey there, health freaks! Have you been on a juice cleanse? No? Well, have you been drinking lots of fruit juice at least? Great, you might enjoy this. Juice is a morning staple for many of us, but what does it do to our health? Well, many things, both positive and negative. Let's talk about what drinking fruit juice every day does to your body. Does it cause weight gain? Will your blood sugar spike? Is juice really ruining my teeth? We're talking all that and more. Number 1, it hurts your teeth. Are you a happy person? Well, drinking fruit juice every day can really do a number on your smile. Citrus fruits like lemons, grapefruits, and oranges all carry a ton of acids that'll eat away at your tooth enamel. This is the protective outer layer of your teeth, and it's meant to prevent your teeth from decaying. When you drink fruit juice on the regular, you're exposing your teeth to citric acid. If this is an everyday thing, your tooth enamel will be overwhelmed. Eventually, it wears away, and your pearly whites rot. If it's not taken care of, this will lead to cavities and even tooth loss. Orange juice in particular has the power to decrease your tooth enamel by 84%. If you think that's bad, well, get this. Juices like lime and cranberry are said to be more acidic than vinegar. Parents who give their children fruit juices are told to have them drink it all at once instead of sipping it all day long. This will give their teeth time to produce saliva and fight the acid. It's also recommended that you stay away from fruit juice before bed. It'll leave your teeth covered with sugar, which feeds bacteria and contributes to tooth decay. If you love crushing fruit juice, but your teeth are suffering, cut your consumption. Whatever fruit juice you choose to have, drinking it every day will lead to one angry dentist. Do you happen to know that your favorite food is ruining your teeth? Which snack satisfies your sweet tooth? Sound off in the comments section and start a conversation with our Bestie community. Number 2, you gain weight. Much like soda, every day fruit juice consumption will cause you to shoot up in weight. Think about the amount of sugar you're having in just one drink. And get this, a single cup of orange juice has roughly 10% of your daily recommended carbs. In that, we're talking about 20 grams of sugar. The average grown male is recommended no more than 36 grams of sugar a day, while the average female only 25. Fruit juice is also low in fiber. That same cup of orange juice provides less than 1 gram. As a result, your stomach isn't going to feel full. This may cause you to drink more orange juice, along with whatever carb-heavy food you're having for breakfast. Drinking calories alone puts you at a risk of gaining weight. This is because all of the fatty foods you're consuming throughout the day. Because juice is so easy to drink, you're not thinking about the calories you're taking in. Every now and then you need to step back and think of how much juice you've had. If you're well over your sugar and calorie intake for the day, slow down. Everyday fruit juice will take a toll on your waistline. If you're working on your fitness, it's time to cut back. Number 3, you get great nutrients. Let's talk about one of the positive effects of everyday fruit juice. It's not all bad, you know. Fruit juice contains a lot of vitamins and minerals. That cup of orange juice I was talking about, it gives you almost 125 milligrams of vitamin C. Guess how much that is? 138% of your daily recommended intake. But let's move over to some other choices. Orange juice isn't the only accessible drink at the store. Pomegranate juice holds some good stuff too. I mean, sure, it's heavy in calories and loaded with sugar, but 1 cup contains 5% of your daily fiber. Not to mention a decent balance of vitamin C, potassium, and iron. These nutrients help get your body working. You don't realize how much you need certain vitamins until your doctor tells you how unhealthy you are. A daily dose of fruit juice can provide some good antioxidants. These include polyphenols, carotenoids, and flavonoids. These antioxidants will help fight free radicals and reduce your risk of illness. This leads to another positive benefit I need to mention. Number 4, increased brain function. A healthy cup of fruit juice every morning might just be what your brain needs to stay in shape. Fruit juice has been linked to improved cognitive function. This is due to the antioxidants and nutrients. A study from 2019 found that older men with a regular diet of veggies, fruits, and fruit juice have a much lower risk of memory loss. It went on to say those who drink a healthy amount of fruit juice in their 50s and 60s will be less likely to suffer from cognitive decline later in life. Out of all the fruit juice flavors, orange juice was shown to be the healthiest for these men. This is because of its carotenoids, as well as vitamin C, B1, and B6. Subjects who drank orange juice daily showed better brain function than those who did not. If you're below 50 and you'd like a head start, begin with 1 glass of orange juice a day. Just make sure that it's 100% orange juice. This means that the OJ only made from oranges with no artificial ingredients added through processing. People who drink 100% orange juice tend to score higher on tests for cognitive function. So if you own a juicing machine and you'd like to make your own OJ, give it a go. Before we continue, are you concerned about the overall state of your health? Check out our recent video on what eating Brazilian nuts every day does to your body. Now back to our discussion on the daily effects of fruit juice. Number 5. It increases your risk of diabetes. We're back to the negative side of fruit juice. Because many juices are loaded with sugar, too much of it will cause your blood sugar to shoot up. This results in hyperglycemia. When it comes to the impact of orange juice on blood sugar, the glycemic index places it between 66 and 70 out of 100. People with low blood sugar will drink fruit juice so their blood sugar levels can increase. Let's talk about fructose for a second. This is the type of sugar that fruit juice is rich in. When fructose is first ingested, it's processed by the liver. If you're drinking too much fructose, your liver will become overwhelmed. This can lead to type 2 diabetes. If your blood sugar level is already high, fruit juice is not the way to go. Every cup you drink brings you one step closer to diabetes. Number 6. It makes your heart healthier. While blood sugar is nothing to mess around with, a healthy amount of fruit juice can do wonders for your blood pressure. Juices that are rich in vitamin C and potassium help boost your heart health while managing hypertension. This is a medical condition where your blood pressure is way too high. Again, OJ is a prime example of a juice with many of these nutrients, but you need to remember to drink 100% OJ. Aside from orange juice, studies have revealed that pomegranate is also helpful in the fight against hypertension. A cup of pomegranate juice once a day for 4 weeks has been shown to lower your blood pressure. Just be sure that the pomegranate juice isn't loaded with sugar. The sugar content will ruin the vitamin's chances of helping you. Number 7. Fruit juice boosts your immune system. A cup of healthy fruit juice will strengthen your immunity. This lowers your chance of getting sick. The vitamin C in citrus fruit packs a heck of a punch. Seriously, drinking vitamin C will help repair your damaged cells. Research shows that a person with low vitamin C will take much longer for their wounds to heal. Even a slight cut can be a challenge. Tomato juice carries a healthy amount of folate and magnesium. These two minerals have an anti-inflammatory effect, which lower your risk of infection. Even though it's more of a smoothie, a mix of strawberry and kiwi will also supply a good amount of vitamin C. The milk present in this drink will provide you with vitamin D, something countless people go without. A vitamin D deficiency increases your risk of infection. Or if you want, replace the milk in strawberry kiwi for some Greek yogurt. Not only are you getting 10 grams of protein, the probiotics in the yogurt will strengthen your cells. So if your doctor is telling you that your immune system is in trouble, a daily cup of pure fruit juice will get your cells back on track. Do you drink fruit juice? Will you drink more or less after watching this video? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Enjoyed this video? Hit like, share, and subscribe to Bestie. Wait! What kind of Bestie would we be if we didn't tell you about our other awesome videos? Go ahead, choose the left or right video and enjoy.